Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the freezer bag survival kit. Before we get into that, we have the giveaway going for Super Clean, where we're going to be giving away a can of the aerosol degreaser, as well as a bottle of the basic degreaser. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead, leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then go ahead and share the video. You'll be entered. Further ado, let's get into there. Right on top, you can see we have our plethora of little cards. First is a magnification lens for card. Then we have a little survival card, which has a fork or spearhead, 2 needles, a few hooks, arrowhead, and line collectors. Then we have a little signal mirror. It's made out of old hunter's face paint. For nutrition, we have a packet of peanut butter. This is 1 ounce, 28 grams. We also have an instant coffee and a vitamin C packet, as well as a mustard packet. Very compact but powerful foods. Here we have a water containment bag, which is another freezer bag. Or you can put the gear in here and use this as a freezer bag or a containment bag. For hygiene, we throw in a bar of soap. Here's our little fishing kit. Some line, some hooks, some sinkers, and some leads. For a cutting tool, we have our off-brand Swiss Army knife. Has our nice blade, as well as 2 saws, as well as scissors. This is a really cool mixture. And it also has screwdrivers over here, and all our corkscrew, and then our toothpick and our tweezers, which is really great to have. Here we have a small bit of the emergency 9-hour candles, probably like an hour here. We also have some UCO stormproof matches. These are great for moist environments. We have a single pack of 10-hour hand warmers. For navigation, we have our basic compass. For fire starting, other than the matches, we have a Bic lighter. Another way of signaling, we have our marine whistle, just a basic orange one. I removed the necklace or lanyard from this one. Another source of fire, we have a ferrocerium rod with striker. We have some basic black cordage, not 550, just some basic stuff. We also have 2 water activated towelettes. Basic first aid kit. It has a handful of medications, sunscreen, sting relief pads, and a plethora of bandages, some butterfly bandages as well. Super great little kit. I love throwing it into my kit. Here we have a Mylar survival blanket, emergency blanket, rescue blanket, great for reflecting heat, building shelters with, or even signaling with, or even marking trails. We also have a hooded poncho, an emergency orange. Works great for signaling as well. And then for gear repair, we just have some duct tape, or you can use it for fire starting as well. And then we have our bag. And that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would do differently. Good luck on the giveaway. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching.